मेळिल्ले म्हायती प्रमाण सोमारा सांजे 4:45 सुमार आजिलोतली लायट गेल्ली. लायट गेल्ल्यान दोतोर धरून हॉस्पिटल कर्मचाऱ्यांची पळापळ जाली. महत्वाची गजाल म्हळ्यार हॉस्पिटलांतली महत्वाची वैजकी उपकरणां बंद पडिल्ली. हॉस्पिटलाच्या बॅकअप जनरेटरांतूय त्याच वेळार इबाड जाल्ल्यान दुयेंतींक सुमार 4 वरां गरमेन रावचें पडलें. ह्या प्रकाराविशीं हॉस्पिटलाची मेडिकल सुप्रिटेंडंट वर्षा मुंज कितें सांगता तें आयकात.
Actually, PWD was working up with our LT panel, but during that there was some procedure. Something went wrong over there, and their LT panel became faulty. Though we had a DG, but those were connected to each other only, and since there were sparks, they were not able to manually even start up the DG. Because of which they had to call their contractors who can deal with it, but that also took time, and they took a lot of time, especially to find out what exactly the fault is and fix it. Our emergency departments, wherever they had their indigenous UPSs, they were running, but other part of the hospital went into blackout, so it was quite not a very good incidence for the people, especially in this scorching heat. After that, now again they are taking up the preventive maintenance, PWD as well as our maintenance and electricity department. So they have agreed, they will be submitting me their reports also, and we see to it that such incidents don't repeat.